So another detail that we wanted to add in our baby room are these bookshelves for baby books. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble them. I've already gone ahead and stained them with an espresso stain from Minwax. They're pretty dark. I'm not sure how they're gonna look matching wise to the other furniture that we have, but I did get a warm sealer. So once I add the warm sealer, that little bit of gold should give me a closer look to the other furniture I have, or so I hope. So I'm gonna build this first just in the stain form, and then I'm gonna go ahead and seal it once it's all built. I could seal it now, but it might mess with the tolerances when I assemble it. Not like this is a precise assembly either way, but just figured it would be nicer that way. So first order of business is all of these have to get dowel pinned. I don't like putting in dowels without wood glue, and hopefully my wood glue is not dried to a rock in there. We'll find out now. Oh, there we go. Don't need a lot, just enough to make that happen. And of course, they didn't bore those holes very well, so if I'm not careful, these will sink in and lose their function. Yeah. I actually did bore them down decently, it looks like, but wish they'd have made them tighter. They drilled those holes too damn big. Alright, so I sealed off all these shelves. Basically, like after I assembled them, I just wiped them down with a few coats of like a satin finish wood sealer. So now I'm just going to hang them on the wall. I've gone ahead and drilled the holes. I kind of basically just, you know, marked where I wanted stuff. And I drew it with a ruler, which I leveled out where the holes are going to go. I drilled small pilot holes first and the bigger 5/16 holes. And now I'm basically just going to be tapping these anchors into here. Once the anchors are tapped in, then I can go ahead, put screws and hang up all the shelves. So I'm just going to tap these anchors in. I'm a big fan of these because like once they're in there, they open up 90 degrees. They're like the pop toggle anchors. They're pretty good stuff. So these are the drywall anchors that I use up close, so you understand how they work. T-square leaning. You guys hear making some crazy sounds. All right, put screws in one of those, and we're ready to rock. Little tool that comes with these, it's basically like supposed to help expand them into the wall. I never really use it because I feel like it always breaks. But this one works well. The screw itself will do this, but you can do it with this, it's not bad. Just make sure that they expand the way they're supposed to and grab into the wall. These make a bold claim of being able to hold 159 pounds in 5/8 drywall. Luckily, don't need them to hold anywhere near that, but good to know. Where the head of these screws is the right size for these. It'll work. A little bit smaller than the heads on the other screws. It might be mistaken, but first two were from another box I ran out of, and so I had to buy another pack. Pain, but it's okay. It's one shell. My other shells are up here. They are. Cleaning lady tucked them up into a corner. I'll just come back later with a paintbrush and touch up some of these lines I left on the wall. So there you have it. There are my baby bookshelves. I feel like this one, that's why. It wasn't seated all the way down. Looks good now. Yeah, there's my baby bookshelves. All four of them are hung up, so now I can put all the baby books up there. I've no real idea how baby's mom will want these positioned, but just for the sake of the video, baby's dad will position them as he wishes. Just put a few in Alright, so there you have it, completely covered in books. I'm sure I'll rearrange those in due time as we get more, etc. Or as mommy opinionates on how she wants them laid out. Baby's mom is obviously going to be the biggest decider there. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. It came out very nice. If you guys have enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post up another one. If you have any feedback, feel free to leave that in the comment section. And as always, thank you for watching.